What does a durable power of attorney really do? Hi, I'm Dan Covington. I'm an estate planning attorney in Lawrence, Kansas. I've been helping people put their estate plans together for over 20 years, so hopefully I can help you understand the importance of a few components of your estate plan. So again, what does a durable power of attorney really do? You've heard me push them and say how important they are, but why is that? So the basics of a durable power of attorney are that in this document you can delegate to someone to act on your behalf, but not against your competent wishes. And this document where you delegate all these powers, you don't lose control of those powers, right? You can still act on your own behalf, but they can also act on your behalf. And this document expires automatically upon your death. Let's get into some of the details a little bit. There are two principal rules, two main rules in a durable power of attorney document. One is the principal, that's the person signing. So you sign the document, you're delegating the powers to someone else. That other person is called your attorney in fact. You hear, and I even say it sometimes, I call them your power of attorney because that's how people commonly refer to it, but they're really referred to as your attorney in fact. Often folks will also name a backup attorney in fact. So if their main person that they've chosen either refuses or can't act on their behalf or passes away, then they've got a backup in the document built in. So what can this attorney in fact do on your behalf? Well, they can take care of banking, taxes, insurance, they can pay bills, they can write checks on your account. And again, when they do this, I guess as a practical matter, it bears mentioning that when they sign, if I'm going to be your attorney in fact, I'm going to sign Bob Johnson by Dan Covington, power of attorney, DPOA. I'm usually going to abbreviate it. So Bob Johnson by Dan Covington, comma, DPOA. That shows someone, and that shows the bank, well, when the check comes through, that Dan is acting on Bob's behalf pursuant to a durable power of attorney. And many places are going to want to see that document. A copy is almost always a fine thing. Anyway, so back to business. What can this power of attorney, this attorney in fact, do on your behalf? Banking, taxes, insurance. They can pay bills, write checks. They could contract for utilities, deal with a cable person. They can contract and handle medical care. They can lease, mortgage, buy, sell personal property or real property on your behalf. They could handle your mail, prosecute or settle lawsuits. You know, people, some folks are unfortunate enough to have a lawsuit come through their life. So your attorney in fact can handle that. They can make claims. They can receive, review, and act on personal medical information. Often will appoint the attorney in fact as your HIPAA personal representative. So that's kind of a buzzword for the medical folks to know that that's someone who can access information on your behalf. The list really just goes on and on. For the most part, if you can imagine some kind of business that you handle, at least on your own behalf in your personal capacity, your attorney in fact is going to be able to do that for you, other than there's a few things under, and again, I'm always talking about Kansas law, right? There's a few things that your attorney in fact can't do on your behalf. These are going to make sense as I get through them. They can't make, publish, declare, or amend or revoke your will or your estate plan. That stands to reason, right? They can't make or modify or revoke a living will or a do not resuscitate order or directive. That's a very personal decision. They can't, like I said, they can't require you to act against your competent wishes. They can't require you to refrain from acting in a way that you want against your competent wishes. And your attorney in fact can't carry out any action that you've specifically forbidden while you weren't under any disability or incapacity. So there's, as I said, the list of things they can do on your behalf really goes on and on, but there are a few things that Kansas law says that's just kind of too personal and permanent a decision. We're not gonna allow an attorney in fact to do that. So when is it that they can act? So your attorney in fact can act while you're there. You can be standing next to them, and they can act on your behalf at at a bank, in some contracting situation with the utility. They can act when you're absent. That's just the handy part of an attorney in fact. A lot of times the power of attorney allows them to act when you're absent. You're out of the country, you're just across the street. Or a big thing, they can act when you're unconscious, you're asleep, or you're comatose, right? This is a durable power of attorney, so it continues during a period of incapacity of yours, or just your, I guess by definition, you're unconscious or comatose, you don't have capacity in those moments. But again, if I haven't mentioned, the durable power of attorney document does expire immediately upon your death, so it's durable in that it goes and it works during periods of incapacity, but it doesn't work beyond your life. So now, again, I push durable powers of attorney. If you don't have an estate plan, you should at least take care of this document, because when is it really important? And to me, it's really important if your own competency fades. If you begin lacking capacity, your family without this would need to go to court to be appointed as a guardian. That's someone who could take care of your person, your health, and a conservator to handle your business, your finance, and your assets. So even to act on behalf of your own family or your spouse, there's no general legal privilege that you can just act on behalf of that person. If you don't believe me, go try to sign their name somewhere and see how that goes. So hopefully I've cleared this up a little bit, got into a little bit of the nitty-gritty for a durable power of attorney today. And again, it's my aim to help you understand really some important components of a good estate plan. So again, I'm Dan Covington. You can always reach me at Estate Plan Kansas, and I hope this has been helpful for you.